Hello guys, welcome to another new video in which you will get to learn a lot. Today we will trade in Euro versus US dollar. Here we will use proper technical. As you may have seen in the previous videos, I apply trade. Guys, here we got to see losses, which is around $210. This account of ours is of $3,175, which we will grow. Here I will explain to you why I applied for buying trade, by which you can also full trade and scalp trade on such patterns. The previous trend of the market was a downtrend, which lasted for 2 to 3 days. From this trend line, we are getting to know the proper lower high point. Now take the second trend line and connect it at the lower low point of the downtrend. To whom it is supporting, we have seen reversals whenever the market has come close to this trend line. Here we see a trendline breakout, which was a high volume breakout, but after this breakout the market moved back down. But now here again the opportunity of buying has been created, where we have applied trade. This rectangle level is also another reason to place our trade. Where the market has repeatedly reversed this level is strong support resistance level. At these points you can see the market reversing, where the market has created good support resistance points. All these points are very important, from which we can know the reverse of the exact market in the future. Market should go up from here because here we are getting perfect analysis. Here all our levels are working well, from which we can generate good profit. Here I will apply more trade with less lot size. This is our high probability trade. 95% chance market will go up from here, setting buy limit and buy stop with this trade, where we will trade in the pyramid. Guys, we have set the trade, hope to see good results here. Here we have kept a very simple approach. If we look at this pattern on a large time frame, so we will see a head and shoulder reversal pattern. You too can apply trade with such simple analysis so that you will get good results. Let's meet guys after some time. Let's wait for market to see the outcome of our setup. Guys, we got a very good move. As we analyzed, the market went up, all our trades were applied here that we placed. With this our goal is achieved. Where the market is now, there is a resistance level which I am drawing with rectangle tool. At this level you will see multiple support resistance level, which is most important. At this level we can get more opportunities to buy or sell. Here you can see multiple support points from which the market has reversed again and again. Here first support points are created, later resistance points are created. You can also see such patterns at this level further, which is forming a reverse pattern. According to the analysis, the market will break the upper resistance level and give a good move to the upside. If this level is not broken, then it can give a downward move. Anything can happen in both these conditions, so that we both have to go together. If you look at the market from different angles you will learn a lot. Must watch the last scene of the video if possible, in which you will know how the market reacts. There is a strong support resistance level. Guys, our profit is running $3,061. This is the result of our risk management and psychology. Here we just follow the price action, which has yielded great results. Guys, we deposited $3,175 in this account, who has done $6,105. If you like the video, then like it.
1 hour later.